Nationwide outrage over the Porsche and hit-and-run case. Another hit-and-run case has come to the fore. Now, Kanpur police have sent the minor son of a prominent doctor to a juvenile home after he reportedly rammed into two people in his father's car and killed them in October 2023. The police also initiated action against the 15-year-old accused in a separate hit-and-run case in which he injured four people in Kanpur's Bara area in March 2024. Meanwhile, Additional Commissioner of Police Harish Chandra has revealed that a departmental inquiry has been launched over the alleged delay in filing the charge sheet against the accused teen and has assured further action in the matter.
201/23 27/10/2023 को जो है एक मुकदमा दर्ज किया गया था, जिसमें एक गाड़ी के द्वारा जो है वो दो लोगों को टक्कर मारी गई थी और उनकी डेथ हो गई थी। इसमें जो है वो प्राइमरी धारा 304 में मुकदमा दर्ज हुआ था। बाद में तफ्तीश के दौरान जो है वो ये संज्ञान में आया कि एक नाबालिग लड़का इस गाड़ी को चला रहा था और उसके द्वारा जो है ये घटना कारित की गई है। विवेचना की ग्रेविटी को देखते हुए इसको जो है CO रैंक के ऑफिसर को जो है वो दिया गया था और उसी क्रम में जो है इस बालक को, जिसकी उम्र जो है वो 15-16 साल है, इसको 21/5/2024 को जो है वो जो जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड है वहाँ पे जो है वो पेश किया गया था।
Adib, my colleague, joins me for more. Adib, while most of us are, of course, still coming to terms with what has really transpired in Pune, this is also yet another shocking incident. We heard that official police reaction as well, but what else are we picking up as far as the person in question is concerned?
See, Nivenda, the minor accused has already been sent to the juvenile home in Etawah, and now the police are taking two different actions. The first action will be against the cops who delayed the charge sheet. The cops will start a departmental inquiry as to why there was a delay in filing the charge sheet when the incident happened in October 2023. The cops should have filed the charge sheet within the 90 days period. This is the maximum limit given by the law in which the cops have to file a charge sheet in any case. So why there was a delay in filing the charge sheet? The first action will be against the concerned police officer, and the second action that police is now going to take is against the owner of the car that was used in the second accident in this month. The accused minor, which the car he was using was of his friend, one of his friends, and the police is now seeking legal opinion to take action against the owner. The police will prosecute the owner also as to why he gave the car to his minor son and to his friends, which led to this serious accident in which four people have been injured by this particular minor teen.
Right, Adib. Thank you very much for understanding us how, legally speaking, of course, this will be panning out and what kind of action is being taken in this particular case. But for the moment, we'd have to leave it at that.